spending my money on things I shouldn't have. Mind your business when it comes to me. Thank you.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. In the city, she blowing me kisses.
What it is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and we're back with another YouTube videos. Hey my hot babes, how are you doing today? So today we are going to be doing a random haul. Like, I just got a package in the mail and I want to unbox it, but it's too small, and then I have other stuff I just bought, so I was like, boom, random haul, period. Mine as well. Spending my money on things I shouldn't have. Mind your business when it comes to me. Thank you. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you press that post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. If you like my video or like my videos, if you're interested in watching another video, you might as well go click and subscribe to the channel and become a part of the Gustaní gang and be a hot babe. Why not? Why not? We live. What is going on YouTube right now, if you ask me. Anyways, so I think the first thing we're gonna do is the stuff I got from Primark. I literally got two things, and this is gonna be like a mini, like a miniature haul. Like this video is probably gonna be 2 minutes. Somebody watch it. First, I'm gonna show what I got from Primark, and you guys don't call me a baby because I thought it was cute. Mind your business. Your parents never told you to stay out of grown folks' business? Oh, okay. And this is fake. It's so cute though. I would never have to go see the real nose. So it's like a mirror. It's like a bulb mirror, and basically I was in there looking for like a regular like mirror. I thought they had like the one without the Minnie Mouse on it, but I seen it and it was the only one left. I was like, why not? Let's not be basic when you gotta have Minnie Mouse. You feel Mickey Mouse, not Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. And it was $24, okay? I just wanted to spend my money. This stuff came in there. Yes, the box is tampered with. Mind your business. I started touching it, so I had to clean the screen. Oop, not too much, but it is so cute, and it has lights. They don't really. They don't. Let me show y'all. It's off. 1, 2, 3. This is how bright it is. Super cute. It's it rotates or whatever, and I could just sit it on the table and do my makeup. Cause they be hating when I'm in the bathroom for hours doing makeup, so I'll just go sit in the kitchen, not the kitchen, the living room, at the dining table, and do my makeup. That's what I be doing. That's why I do my videos, because it's more aesthetically pleasing out here. See that wall? That wall looks fire. Anyways, moving on to the next item I got from Primark. So I got these lime green shades on the clearance rack for like $3 to $3. They want to sell. Does it go with the fit? There's no green in here. I feel like it could go with the fit. With the hair clip in the back. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Yeah. Anyways, the glasses are super cute. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I'm not dolled up, I look like a meme with these glasses on. I look like I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the meme I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I look like when I'm not dolled up. That's what I be giving. I be giving that. Not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Not too much on me, please. Mind your business. Thank you. Even pretty girls have their bad days. It is what it is. It is what it is. Now, finally moving on to the package. I'm trying to make sure I don't show my address. So, scissors. So I ordered from Alex and Annie, and honestly, I had got one bracelet from them for Christmas, and every year I have it on my Christmas list and nobody gets it. Like nobody buys it or nothing. I only got it one time for Christmas, and basically I lost it. Don't ask me. I didn't lose it. The charm, I lost the charm. The charm fell off. I think I still have the charm on the brace. I still have the charm, but the more the story is, it's broken. It's gone. It's done. It's over. It's done. So I bought myself bracelets. You ain't want to do it, so I did it for me. Easy, simple as that. And I'm gonna build my collection. Cause why not? They're so cute. Look at this. So the box says proudly designed and crafted in America with love. So it has this tissue paper. Alright, and I got 2 bracelets. So the first bracelet I got, it says love, and it's basically like a November bangle of the month with a chrysanthemum flower. And I'm born in November, so why not get it? The one I had before was my zodiac sign, and I lost it, and this one is limited edition. So with that being said, I got it because it's limited edition, and nobody else ain't gonna have it after it comes back with lawn, period. So I got it. We have another bracelet, but this one is gold, and it's the number 11, which is the year I was born. The year I was born. Wow, you was born in 2011. What? Which is the month I was born, in November. I was trying to find like 10 for like November 10th, because I have the month thing right there. I was gonna get 10. Couldn't find it. Then I was gonna get 24 for Luxury's birthday, because her birthday is April 24th or whatever, and I was gonna get her something for her, but they didn't even have like anything for her son or anything up there, so I couldn't get it. I was gonna get a dog mom bracelet, but I'm waiting till that one go on sale, because I got these on sale. So this is the bracelet charm. It's just basically like a little flower chrysanthemum. I've never even seen a chrysanthemum before. Look at me just buying stuff. Anyways, it says celebrate sweet moments. They are honey on your heart. Honey on my heart. Yeah. Look at her. Super cute. I love having bracelets. I don't like when my arm is naked. Every time I get charm bracelets, bro, something goes wrong. Like all the charms for this one, I just have it put away because I'm scared that I'm gonna lose them, because it keeps like popping open. Let's try this one on. And honestly, can you guys let me know in the comments, how do you feel about gold and silver mixing? Like, I don't feel like you can mix gold and silver jewelry. Like, you see, I got on a silver necklace right now, right? I would never put on a gold bracelet with a silver necklace. I would never put on gold earrings with a silver necklace, or a gold chain with a silver earring. Like, it's just weird to me. I don't know, it doesn't look right. Like, it's I don't know how to explain it. It's just not for me. So I wouldn't be wearing these together. Like, it's enough for me. And if I do, mind your business. It says communication, balance, and intuition with the number 11. So cute, so cute. And these bracelets were like $30, y'all. Like 30, 20 to 30 to 40 to $60 for one bracelet. And guess how much I paid, because I got a little sale. I paid 20-something dollars for both of them because they was on sale. One of them was $10 and the other one was $8. Stop playing with me. Yes, we love. Just gotta come off. I did not mean to put that face on camera. Just gotta come on. Luxury, you wanna go outside, baby? Let me take you on a walk. You didn't, y'all. Luxury still ain't go to the bathroom. I'm kind of scared. Period. So, When I talk, I'll be like, yeah, because da-da-da-da. That's why I like these braids, because you just hear them clinking around. So cute. So cute. That girl. And no, I was not in the Alex and Andy era. I did not learn about Alex and Andy till 11th grade. Someone that was in my grade, we became close, and she was just telling me like, oh, she's like, yeah, I got a whole bunch of them. Then another person I know that lived in the same area as me, and we were cool, she had a whole bunch of them. I was like, those are cute, but I never actually looked into it. And then I got that one I had, and now I bought myself. So I'm just gonna build my collection, and every time I order, I'm gonna do a video with y'all, and we're gonna count them out. And yeah, girls is not gonna play with me, and now I'm not gonna be able to stop talking with my hands. Further ado, thank you guys for watching this useless video. Made no sense whatsoever, but if you bangs with me, you bangs with me. And with that being said, I love you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn that post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Gustaní gang. You are now
Not babe, not honey babe, sweetie. Come on.
Not a honey babe. If you ain't subscribed, let me watching and not subscribing. Make sure to follow all my social medias down below, which is TikTok, Instagram. I think I have my Snapchat as well. So thank you guys for watching. Later.